Hi, so we just learned Wibe coding in theory, and now it's time for us to do hands-on practice using cursor.ai to do Wibe coding. And here we are going to do a practical React.js project application and and see how easy it is for any technical or a non-technical people to apply these concepts and develop their uh, uh, front-end application. So I'm on the website nanlabs.com, and on its blog there are many React.js application, but we will take one of us the first Airbnb marketplace application which has an image design available. So what I'm going to do is take the snapshot of this UX design and try to put it to the chat box. Let's do it. The AI chat box. I have already taken a snapshot of this UX design, and now let me put this over to the cursor AI chat box. As a next step, I have created a prompt in order to develop the React.js application. Let me just copy here over here. What I'm saying is design and develop a React.js interactive front-end application that it will replicate the Airbnb interface shown in the attached image. The application should precisely match the reference design in terms of layout, style, font, color, images, and functionality. Create a new project repository called this React app. I'm adding few more text. Oh, adding few more text to help download only the latest version of the node packages required for the React.js application. Create this React Java script project using only latest packages, and let us click on the submit button.